Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. And today is the 6th day Shibadoge have continued to increase in price. Yes, Shibadoge have maintained 6 days straight increase in price. Today Shibadoge price have actually hit about 4.20% increase in price, and yesterday we saw Shibadoge hitting over 3.10%. Now I am happy to see this coin gradually continues to increase in price, and the market cap also have continued to maintain over $30 million cap since the beginning of the year, and gradually this coin will keep getting that attention. This coin will keep expanding, will keep growing. Now I think Shibadoge, even though the trading volume of Shibadoge is about $241,729 trading the volume in the past 24 hours, with an 11% increase in the Shibadoge trading volume. So that is amazing to see Shibadoge. I'm hoping to see this trading volume of Shibadoge at least before the end of next month, March. I want to see Shibadoge volume hitting 1 million, 2 million every day, over 1 million or $2 million trading volume. Now Shibadoge have continued to increase, which makes it more good. In fact, so many, if you go on Twitter, you will see Shibadoge holders are very happy that this coin have started getting that attention. Unlike before, when this coin people are not even talking more about Shibadoge. Shibadoge was just there, and only Uniswap V2 listed this coin then. So a lot of people were like, wow, when will Shibadoge start getting that attention? When will Shibadoge start getting that listing? When will Shibadoge's market cap will keep increasing instead of being trading at the same spot? And I keep making videos about Shibadoge telling you this coin is going to increase. I keep making videos telling you this coin will get listening. A lot of listening will be coming for Shibadoge, because I see Shibadoge with a great potential. I see the way the developers have been working hard every day to make sure this coin really gain ground, this coin really stand on the street. Now Shibadoge have gotten a lot of listening, over 6 to 7 listings. After then it was just Uniswap V2. Today we have Uniswap V3. Today we have BKX, we have IndoEX, and we even have Bitmat. Today we have we just have Hotbit, and now L Bank. Wow, this is amazing. We are growing gradually. We are getting there. Gradually, Shibadoge is now moving to the moon. Shibadoge is gradually going to the moon. Shibadoge gradually, you'll be seeing this coin like the next Shiba Inu. That is the project of Shibadoge. They believe, yes, that we are the next Shiba Inu. They believe Shibadoge is going to hit a massive increase in price, just like Shiba Inu. Right now, the coin is trading with about 16 zeros, and I believe if we give this coin that attention, that support, Shibadoge will definitely increase more than what we think. Now for Shibadoge, for me, I think I'm sorry for that sound. For Shibadoge, I think Shibadoge is going to really increase if we can start getting more listening. Now, just few listening in the past few weeks have already pushed the price of Shibadoge. Few listening in the past few weeks have gotten Shibadoge more holders. Okay, so imagine where we have the big exchanges coming in. Imagine let's say likes of Crypto.com, Get.io, Kucoin, Kraken, listening Shibadoge. Oh my god, this is going to be amazing. I'm waiting to see these exchanges list Shibadoge coin. Then remember, by the time Shibadoge will be listed on Coinbase and Binance, then Shibadoge is definitely going to hit a massive increase in price. Now in America, in Europe, in Asia and Africa, people have been searching about Shibadoge. When we go to coin market cap, you can see Shibadoge is one of the coins people have been searching on coin market cap. But right now, I know these coins still have a lot of work to do, but I'm impressed with what the developers are doing. I'm impressed with their roadmap. If they're from the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, they are really doing well. So I'm hoping that Shibadoge will keep getting that support they need, that massive support they need, especially from different companies, from different crypto billionaires, and this coin will definitely really increase in price. Now, if some Shiba Inu and Dogecoin holders can decide to also show support for Shibadoge, let's assume that 1 to 5% of Shiba Inu holders decide to buy Shibadoge coin, and 1% to 5% of Dogecoin holders decides to invest on Shibadoge, now imagine what will be happening. Shibadoge is going to gain a lot. Shiba Inu have millions of global holders, and same thing goes on with Dogecoin. So that is going to push the price of Shibadoge to massively increase in price. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.